False. Are you planning to get a new iPhone this New Year's or have already got one? Now are looking to move chats from Android to iPhone without factory reset? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading application from the links in description and pinned comment to easily migrate WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone without factory reset. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WatsGo Engineers back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without factory reset. But first, before I start with the video, let me wish you all a very happy new year 2024. Thanks for all your support during all these years. I hope this continues this year and in future as well. Now as a token of appreciation, I am going to announce the winner for itoolab WatsGo free license giveaway. First, this will help a user to get hands-on itoolab WatsGo full version that can transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone for free. First, we can always use Move to iOS to transfer data including WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. But Move to iOS requires latest hardware and software. So if you are using old models of Android or iPhone, you can't use Move to iOS. Also, it requires us to format iPhone, and there are many users who complain that Move to iOS is not working for them as they are getting issues like getting stuck at last step when importing backup, or some data are not completely transferred. Now that Move to iOS is not working for you, I will recommend you to try out itoolab WatsGo, a professional WhatsApp transfer tool to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without factory reset. itoolab WatsGo just takes one click to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, and the best part is that it also works to transfer data from WhatsApp Business and GB WhatsApp. And first, here is why you should choose itoolab WatsGo over any other WhatsApp transfer tool, as it can transfer WhatsApp data at faster speed compared to official WhatsApp transfer solutions like Move to iOS or Samsung Smart Switch, but can also do it with high success rate. It also offers cross-platform data transfer that helps to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android, Android to Android, or iPhone to iPhone as well. So yes, no matter how we want to transfer phone data, we can do it using WatsGo, as it can transfer all your phone data including contacts, call history, images, docs, videos, audios, and much more. That's not it. itoolab WatsGo can download and restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone, or can also restore iTunes WhatsApp backup, and all this can be done in 3 simple steps. Wow, this seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit itoolab WatsGo official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once itoolab WatsGo free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have itoolab WatsGo with all its features and capabilities. Now first, let's know how to use itoolab WatsGo to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without factory reset. But first, before I start with WhatsApp transfer, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my Samsung Android phone which has WhatsApp with chats that has images, videos, audio, and stickers. Now I will transfer these to my WhatsApp on iPhone, which is not set up yet, and for that here we are back on itoolab WatsGo. Now click on start. Now we will be required to connect our source device with computer, which is Samsung F13. Once connected, we will be required to enable USB debugging, and for that simply follow these steps. Open settings and then scroll down to about phone. Now tap to open it. Now tap on software information. Next, tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. Next, go back, and here we have developer options now. Tap to open it. Now scroll down, and here we have USB debugging. Toggle this on. Here comes a pop-up, allow USB debugging. Tap on OK. Next, we will get allow USB debugging authorization pop-up. Select this and tap on allow. Now our Samsung Android phone gets connected. Next, we will be required to connect our iPhone to computer. Once both devices are connected, let's transfer WhatsApp messages from Samsung to iPhone, and for that click transfer. Now we need to turn off Find My iPhone. Follow the steps to do it. Open settings and then profile. Next tap on iCloud. Scroll down and here we have find my iPhone. Tap to open it. Now toggle this off. Enter Apple ID password and then tap on turn off. This will turn off Find My iPhone. Once done, here comes warning that data on our iPhone WhatsApp will be overwritten. Click on continue. Now from here we can select the data we want to transfer. Let's not change anything and click on continue. Next we need to follow below steps to turn on 64-bit end-to-end encrypted backup on Samsung Android phone. And for that simply open WhatsApp. Now tap on 3 dots and then tap on settings. Now tap on chats and then chat backup. Tap on end-to-end encrypted backup. Next tap on turn on and click on use 64-digit encryption key instead. Now tap on generate your 64-digit key. This will generate encryption key. Take a screenshot so that we can use it later. Next tap on continue. Now tap on I saved my 64-digit key. Next we need to create end-to-end encrypted backup and for that tap on create. It will create backup and once done click on enabled. Now itoolab WatsGo will start to transfer WhatsApp chats from Samsung phone to iPhone. You can see complete process over here. Now here we will be required to enter 64-digit encryption key that we had created. Enter it using the screenshot and once done click on verify. Now it will start to decrypt WhatsApp backup data. Next we will be required to log into WhatsApp on iPhone. Open WhatsApp, then tap on agree and continue. Enter your WhatsApp number and verify it using WhatsApp verification code. You will get verification code on your WhatsApp on Android phone. Enter it to verify your number. Once done, click on logged in. It will start to generate data that can be restored and now will transfer WhatsApp data from Samsung phone to iPhone. Once done, here we have confirmation. WhatsApp transferred successfully from Android to iPhone. Now our iPhone will restart and when we open WhatsApp, it has all our WhatsApp chats from Android phone that has images, videos, voice notes and stickers. Wow, that's simply amazing work from itoolab WatsGo. First, I will highly recommend you try out itoolab WatsGo if you're looking to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without factory resetting iPhone. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. Now you may ask, is itoolab WatsGo free to use? Well first, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about itoolab WatsGo pricing plans and after this I will announce a winner for itoolab WatsGo free license key giveaway. And for pricing, here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for itoolab WatsGo. Simply choose a plan as per your requirement. Now first let's announce the winner for itoolab WatsGo free license key giveaway. And for that, here I have copied the link for the video. Now simply visit a random comment picker website and paste the link for our video. Let's not filter duplicates and also add comment replies to give more users a chance. Now solve this sum and click get YouTube comments. Amount of YouTube comments are 85. Now let's pick a winner and for that click start. And the winner is with YouTube handle @Karthik Saini 5949. Wow, many congratulations Karthik. Now you don't need to buy any license to transfer WhatsApp messages from old phone to new phone. Simply email me at webitmanoriginals@gmail.com in next 7 days to claim your itoolab WatsGo full version. Now first, if you have not won anything in this giveaway, well here is your chance. Simply leave a comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals. And if this video reaches 30k views in next 30 days, I will announce another winner. So what are you waiting for? Simply leave a comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals to get a chance to win itoolab WatsGo full version. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Got a second-hand iPhone or iPad which is activation locked and you are stuck with iPhone locked to owner. Want to fake your location on iPhone but don't want to jailbreak your iPhone? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.